Hello and welcome back. Paulie here, and I've got a great recipe. Hello everybody, it is Paulie here, and today we're going to do a herb garlic seasoning for some chicken, and we're going to pair that with a salad. So let's get started here. First of all, we're going to show you the ingredients that we're going to use today. Second, I'll show you how we cook the chicken. And last but not least, I will show you my pairing or my structuring or plating of our final dish. So let's get started with the first part, which is our ingredients. So we've got our organic air-chilled boneless skinless chicken thighs. I use these for the simple fact they are better for you than your average everyday supermarket chicken. Your chicken that you get elsewhere is injected with a bunch of additives, hormones, stimulants, etc. We don't want that in our chicken. The best way to eat is healthy as possible, and with this you're going to get great flavor, and on top of that you're going to be eating the best quality of chicken that you can get. So I use this, and it's worth every dollar that I spend. Along with that, our greens and for our salad are going to be the best you can get. Some nice spinach, kale. You've got these lettuces that you can get that are not iceberg lettuce. You don't want iceberg lettuce. There's no nutrient or benefit to iceberg lettuce, and we always want to add other great flavors and textures to our salad, like sliced grape tomato, English cucumber. A lot of flavor packed in English cucumber, more than your regular cucumber. You've got broccolini, which is very manageable for salad and packed full of broccoli flavor, of course. Then you've got spring onions. I don't like big hunks of white or red onion in my salad, but I love a nice dice of spring or green onions in my salad. So I've got all these great ingredients to go here, and we're going to use these today and enjoy a great healthy meal. First of all, our seasonings for our herb garlic mix is going to be garlic, of course. Then you've got some dried onion. We're going to use some parsley today, some marjoram, some thyme. We've got some oregano, and we've got some sweet basil we're going to use today, some rosemary, and then we've got some lemon peel, dried lemon peel, to add a little citrus note to our seasoning, our herb garlic seasoning. So next up is our cooking, and we're going to show you how we get that together, but we'll get our rub together so we can season up our chicken and get it cooking. Okay, let's start with our herb seasoning. So of course we're going to go in with our garlic first, right? Because it's a herb garlic seasoning. So we're going to be kind of generous there with our garlic, of course. And I'll have the amounts in the description box below. But let's go in with some parsley there. Let's go in with a little bit of thyme. A little bit of rosemary. Some sweet basil leaf, some oregano, got some onion granule, and we'll use some marjoram, and I'm going to use a little lemon peel also. I don't want a lemon pepper or anything like that. I'm trying to add a little bit of citrus note to our herb garlic rub here. Like so. now that we got that in there, we can go in with our salt and pepper. Now you want to have enough salt in there because that's going to be seasoning our chicken. And same with cracked black pepper. The herbs add a nice flavor and texture, and overall great look to our dish here. But you definitely need to make sure you have enough salt and pepper in there so our meat is adequately seasoned. As you can see there, it's predominantly herbs, salt, and garlic. And man, is it good. So we'll get our chicken ready to cook. We got our herb garlic mix, and we're going to go ahead and just season liberally the top and the underside. I'll do the underside when I get it in the skillet at the next segment there, which is our cooking. Okay, we've got our chicken ready, and we've got a skillet here on medium to high heat. We're going to go in with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, so we're only going to do about a tablespoon or so. You don't need a lot. And our pan is coming up to temperature. So if you swirl our pan around here, you can see a little smoke coming up off of there, so you know it's good and hot. We're ready to go, baby. So we got that going. We're gonna get our chicken in there. I'm gonna go within about 3 or so, not to overcrowd. We're gonna let it sit for about 3 to 4 minutes each side. And then we're going to test it with a thermometer, meat thermometer, to make sure we get it to the right internal temperature of 165 or higher. Want it to be 165 or higher so you don't kill anybody. You want people to enjoy the food, not die from it. But as you see, we seasoned the other side, and now we're going to let it sit for about 3 to 4 minutes before we flip it over, and it'll have a nice brown, golden brown exterior there. Alright, time to give them a flip. Look at that, gorgeous. Great color. That's what you want, baby. That's it. That's exciting, amazing flavor right there. Now we're going to let it go for another minute or two, and then we'll give it a test to see what our temperature's at. Alright, I pulled our chicken off the heat there. You put it in there. You can see we're well over our 165 mark, or 168. So we're good to go. Just pull our chicken off of the skillet there, and we'll let it rest. And then we'll get ready to plate up here. So stick with me. We're almost done and ready to eat. Alright, there is our finished product. After I let the chicken rest for a couple minutes, I sliced it and put it on our salad, our gorgeous salad here. I used a salad dressing that my good friend Chef Eric at Simply Elegant Home Cooking uses. And I will have that link in the description box below so you can check that out. But here is our product, our herb garlic chicken, and our gorgeous, packed full of ingredients, healthy ingredients, salad. You're gonna love it, I guarantee you. Look at that, cooked all the way through, nothing unsatisfactory here. So that's gorgeous, and I want to thank you for watching, and let me know what you think. We'll see you next time.